Hi, in the last lessons we learned how to split and format data. In these lessons we are going to make some date and time transformation under transformation tab. Let us learn. Uh, so this is the data that we are handling in the last few sessions. Okay, I have removed the steps that we have created in the last sessions, and this is the data sets that we are going to deal with. So there are two date columns are there. One is date of sale and another is date of birth. We are going to use these two fields in this session. So suppose take for example we have a date here. These are the date of sale. Suppose we want to extract the years. Okay. So when we have a large set of data, what we need to do? So we have to extract this date from this column automatically. How can we proceed for this? Okay. So first we have to do, we have to opt for this like that. We have to select the column that we want to uh, bring about change or edit. Then under this transform tab, the two ways we can do. Let us say, so under transform and add columns, there are two options we have. Transform tab is there, and there is also add column tab is also there. So if we are editing this data by opting for transform tab, okay, what will happen? The changes will take place in the column itself. But if you are opting for this add column tag, for example, we have also date options. Okay, you can see here also. So instead of bringing about change, instead of editing this, what we can say that field, it will create additional columns and changes will reflect in the additional columns. That's the difference. Let us see transform. So this is the date. We have selected date of sales. Then we can go for this. Okay. So this is the date only. You can see. Okay. So this is the date only. Suppose we want to extract the year. Okay. What is the year? So we can go for this year options. So what will happen? The year of sale will reflect here. Okay. So year of sale it will be reflect here. If you are going for this add column options, it will create different another column and the changes will reflect there. Okay. So let us remove this x. Okay. Let us remove this. Let us go for a few more options that are available. Suppose I want to see, we want to see the start of the year. Start of the year means, suppose take for example all these three third, it starts from 3rd of January, it will become first. Okay. Let us see start of year. So everything will start from the um, that January 1st. Okay, 2020 all to 2020 data. Therefore, it is 2020 January 1. It is coming. Okay. So let us remove. We will also explore a few more options that we are having under this. So similarly, end of the year. If you are clicking on end of the year, what will happen? Oh, that end of the year means December 31st will appear here. Okay. So then let us go. Let us see if we, so suppose we want to see the month, particular month. Okay. So in case of this, what will happen? So this is the month. This is the first month. Therefore, one is appearing. So let us remove. So one by one we can check how. Suppose start of the month. Take for example, start of the month means it is everywhere. It is start of the month. Okay, this will appear like this. Okay, start of the month will appear like this. Then we can have like month, like week. Take for example week of the year. So which week? There are 52 weeks in a year. The particular week it will write. Okay, we can write. So this is the first week. This is the second week, third week, like that. It is writing. Okay. So under week, like start of the week, end of the week, we can also explore particular day. Day of the week. Suppose take for example particular day of the week. Suppose second week, third week, and whether it's a first day or second day of the week, same week, it will tell about that. So we can explore this. So this is, it is telling about third of the week, third day of the week, fifth day of the week, and sixth day of the week. All these things is coming up. Okay. So We can see, suppose take for example, so these are the options we can explore one by one. And suppose take for example in this column, so what is the earliest date? If you are clicking on the earliest date, what will happen? It will remove all the data. Okay, it will remove all the data and only the earliest date will remain. So let us see. So we can see, so only one date that will remain. So it is that removes all the data that we have, because we are looking for the earliest date, one only one date, but this is not actually required. So we can check this, and we can also click on the X icon so that our data, real data, can come back. Okay, so this is, then we can see similarly we can go for, like on the transform, we can go see latest options is also there. There is another field is there, date of birth. Okay, so we can also calculate by looking at this date of birth. We can calculate the age of the person, age of the customers. Okay, so we have also options, some options like age option is also there. We are referring here transform and date. Okay, we can go for this age of the month. So it is coming the particular age of the month, like particularly date, it is particular days. Similarly we can also convert to number of days. Okay, number of days, this is the number of days that the customer has. Okay, like that. So we can remove these steps, we can also remove these steps. Accordingly we can also check some of the more options, like we want the date only or month only, or all these options what we have seen under this also are also available. So this is how we can transform the date field, date and time field. Okay. So this is sometimes in Power BI it is required, and whenever it is required, this is the process. By using Power Query Editor, we can bring about changes, whatever editing that we want to do in the date columns and in the time columns we can do. Uh, that's for the lesson. Thank you.